Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss a very important topic, or this is one of the popular Azure service that we use to scale our application whenever we want to upload our big files, it can be your image file, PDF file, or it can be video file as well. So at that moment, whenever you try to upload your these files, okay, or somehow you imagine a scenario, your file size is around 1 GB. So whenever you try to compile all the files through the stream, so somehow your it can block your threads as well. So Azure Blob Storage give you an advantage to make your massively scalable and secure object storage for cloud native workloads. Okay, so in this way, or in this video, we will see that how to set up Azure Blob Storage in our ASP.NET Core application. Okay, so first thing is that guys, most of you have know the Azure subscription. So this is why we will follow another approach. Okay, but this is very similar to the Azure Blob Storage. Okay, so in this way, or Microsoft is already provided to work on the Azure Blob Storage on the local system. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do here. So first of all, let me show you something. Okay, this is a completely empty application, or we will create the APIs for upload files, delete files, get all files, or download all that files as well. Okay, so let's see, or without getting in detail, so let's get start with the main content. So let's go to your NuGet package manager for your solution. Okay, or thereafter we have to install the package with regarding your Azure Blob Storage. Okay, so let me open up my Geo Wi-Fi connect. Okay, so let me connect the Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi is connected now. Okay, now it's time to search for Azure dot storage dot blob. So this package you have to install in your application. So while you see there, so the package which is created by the Microsoft. Okay, or make sure that you will install the this package with the latest version of this package as well. Okay, so let's wait to install this package, or meanwhile what I will tell you guys, if you love this video, if you love this content, so guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on YouTube as well. Okay, package is installed successfully, or let's see the description of this package as well. So Azure Blob Storage is Microsoft's object storage solution for the cloud. Okay, or whenever you want to scale your application, or whenever, or of course blob storage helps you a lot, while you are working with the e-commerce application. Okay, so in this scenario, it will definitely help you to manage all that static files. Okay, so let's close this solution explorer. Okay, or while you go there, so let me see that our package is what. Okay, so the package is added right now. Now let's add the Docker composer. Okay, or in this Docker compose, we will write some commands, we will write some statements for your blob storage. So let's add another file. Okay, so I will add this file on the root of this project. Okay, so let's add a new item, or let's name this new item as a docker compose.yml. Okay, so docker dot not docker compose dot yml. So in the yml, we will write the so many things regarding your Azure images as well. Okay, or thereafter you have to tell to the docker that how the things should work. Okay, or which images we will use to make the thing succeed. Okay, so docker compose.yml. So this package, this file we have to add here. Okay, after this like a successful addition of this file, okay, you can remove this thing completely. Now it's time to define the things that we want to do here. Okay, so we will use the Azurite, or okay, or this is like a clone of the Azure Blob Storage. Okay, whenever you want to test Azure Blob Storage in your local system, so this is like another thing that we can use instead of the Azure Blob Storage. Okay, so today we will see that how to like set up this like local system based Azure Blob Storage in your application as well. Okay, or we will everything we will do on the on our local machine. So let's go to the like let's search for Docker Azurite. So while you see there, so let's go there. Okay, let me Azure. Right. Okay. So of course we have to go there. Or we will land on the official website of the Azure. Of course, we will need this package as well. Copy this package name, copy this image name. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to define the version of this YML file. So right now, like I am choosing the version, let's say 3.8 version. Okay. Thereafter, we have to define the like which services you want to use like through this Docker Compose. Okay, so of course I will write services of which services I want to use. I want to use the Azure, right? This service I want to use. Now it's time to see that how the things should work. Of course I will I will add the image. So the image that I want to like pull from the Docker Hub, this is the mcr.microsoft.com slash Azure storage slash Azurite. Okay, of course, like Azurite is like a clone of the um, Azure Blob Storage. Okay, now we have to define the container name. So the container name that I want to use, which is like Azurite container. Okay, let's keep the same as it is. Okay, the ports, of course, like we have to enable the ports. Okay, well, of course, like I will enable so many ports here. Okay, so the first port that I want to enable, okay, on the port number 10,000, this is the like default port of the Azure, right? Okay, so the first thing that while you are seeing the port number, so 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, so so you will see that on the 10,000 port number it will expose blob services default listening port. On the port number 10001, like it will expose the queue services of the default listening port. Okay, on the port number 10002 will expose table services default listening port. Of course, so we will add all these ports as well. So copy this thing, or like paste it here. Thereafter, like I will add another port that let's go there. Okay, so let's add another port, the port that I want to add, which is that like 1000, like 10,001, or the another port that we want to work on that thing. So let's add the port number 10,002. So these are three ports that I'm gonna to enable. Now it's time to see that of course we will add the volumes as well, because whenever we like upload the files, so I want that whenever my container is deleted, so still I want that like those files should be accessed. Okay, so I of course I will add the volumes, or the volume that I like which volume I want to use. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I suppose, let's say I want to use the volume on the folder Azure data. Okay, or to which folder? So of course data folder. Okay, so through this volume folder, like I can like manage the volumes as well. Oh guys, in the last video we have seen that how to work with the Docker volumes in the with your .NET application as well. Okay, so there I shown you that how to practical example with this thing as well. Okay, for the Docker volume. Now let's add the command as well. Okay, because of course we have to enable the commands. Okay, so the first command let's go there. Okay, if the command is like there, so of course that's a very good thing. Okay, so this is the command that we will use here. Okay, for your Azurite service. Okay, so of course let the container. So Azurite. Okay, or thereafter let's copy this thing. I will copy this thing. Okay, now the along with that I want to add the things like location data. Okay, so like which location I want to prefer. Let's go there. Okay, so if it is still okay, so like I want to skip version check as well. Okay, so that like it won't give us error as well. Okay, like I don't want any error while the things are like working. Okay, or let me see that is there anything anything, any command is like mentioned for specific location. So let's search for LOCA location. Okay, so Azure location there where it is. Okay, so if I want to like declare the location as well, so what I will do here, so like hyphen hyphen or location, or on which location, data location. Okay, like data folder. So in this way, like our docker compose file is done. Okay, of course like please skip the API version check as well. Sometimes like it can be mismatched for as per your like Azure Blob API as well. Okay, so let's save this file. Now it's time to create the like blob storage services as well. Okay, because this is like a very important step as well. Before the things we will just start there. So first of all, I have already created the Azure storage connection string. Okay, so this is the Azure storage key section. Okay, thereafter you will see that connection string. Right now we are working on the local machine. Okay, through the docker. So of course like I will just use the use development storage equals to true. Okay, so this will understand that. Okay, so like I have set up the Azure Blob Storage on a local machine. Okay, so this is why like I don't need any specific like a connection string for the Azure as well. Okay, so the container name that I want to use, so this is the container name for your Azure Blob Storage. So this, which name I would name it as a uploads. Okay, that's pretty fine. Now let's add the services folder for your Azure Blob Storage. So I will add the services, or in the services let's name now let's add the class as well. So blob storage service. Okay, so this service class I will add there. Okay, now guys, that like this is like important something we are going to do there. Okay, so I guess we got this service class there. Okay, so first of all I will add the Azure Blob client as well. Okay, or like I will inject the Azure Blob client in this class as well. Okay, so private. Okay, or read only. Okay, or blob uh, container. Let's blob container. Okay, or CLIENT. So let's check that this like how like if it is showing or not. If I go to the show potential fixes, I guess okay, so the package is added there. Okay, so of course I will introduce the client as well. Thereafter like somehow like I will create the constructor. Oh, okay, or through the constructor, like I am going to add the configuration as well. Okay, so the configuration, so this is the configuration, because I will read the configuration value of this connection string and the container name through the I configuration as well. Okay, so let's add such things as well. So a string or connection strings, of course I will add the connection. I will try to fetch the connection string. Okay, so let's do this thing, copy this, paste it here. Okay, let's like this. Okay, for which key I want to access, this is the key, connection string key. I will access there. Okay, or let's complete the things. Same here, like I will add the container name as well. Okay, so container name. So this is the my container name or configuration, or through the configuration, like I will try to fetch the container name through the Azure storage section. Okay, now the things we have completed there. Okay, now first of all, what you have to do here, you have to call the blob service client here. Okay, so where or service client, so we have the service uh, client as well. Okay, equals to new blob service client, or thereafter in this thing, like I will pass the connection string as well. As you can see, like the things is showing there. Okay, or now if like client equals to service client dot get blob container client, or in this thing, like it is asking me that which container I want to pass. So the container name is of course we have already defined there, so I don't need to mention it again. Or if like client dot create if not exist async. Okay, let's keep it exist, or public access type dot. Okay, so let's go there. Public access type dot blob. So in this way, we have successfully set up for your like edge like blob container as well. Okay, now it's time to create the services for upload files, delete files, or get all files as well. So let's see that how the things we will work on that. Okay, so I will add the public async task. Okay, or through the task, let's keep it as a data type as a string type. Okay, or thereafter somehow I will upload all such my things as well. Okay, so of course let's pass. I will use the iPhone file as well. So this is the iPhone file, or of course we have the file as well. Thereafter, first of all, you have to check create the blob name as well. Like whenever you upload the file, so of course you the file in the Azure Blob Storage, we call it as a blob. Okay, so of course we will create the blob name as well for every files that we are going to upload, because maybe the next upcoming file has the same name as well. So this is why it should not make conflict there. Okay, otherwise the file will be replaced with the existing one. So blob name equals to, okay, so let's keep GUID. Okay, GUID dot new GUID. Okay, thereafter let's add an underscore as well. Okay, or file dot file name. So this is our file name that we in this case we can set up the blob name. Thereafter let's initialize your blob client as well. Okay, so blob client equals to uh, client dot get blob client. Or in this way, I will first of all I will try to get the blob as well. I will add the await blob client dot upload async. Or through this upload async, I will try to write a file dot open read stream. Okay, or the second parameter that we are going to mention, which is the new blob HTTP headers. So in the HTTP headers, basically you have to define content type as well. So content type equals to file dot content type. Of course, like whatever we are like trying to upload the file, okay, or of course like we have to define the file type as well. Okay, so thereafter like let's return your blob client dot URI dot to string. So this is your like whenever your file uploadation process is successfully done, so of course we will give the public URL of your blob as well. Okay, actually like we do this thing as well. Okay. Now we have created the first services for your upload files as well. Okay, now let's create a container. So the container name that I want to add, so that we can see that like how the things looks like. Okay, so API, or let's name it as a blob controller. Of course we will add this blob controller in our application as well. Okay, or let's create like all possible services. Thereafter finally like we will call that services into a blob controller. Okay, the second thing that I want to mention, like okay, so public async, okay, or task, or I let's say that download. Okay, download async. Let's name it as a download async. Okay, or so first of all, you have to understand like which blob you want to download. So of course we will give the blob name as well in the parameter. So blob name. So we have given the blob name. Thereafter, like we will initialize our blob client as well. Okay, so this is our blob client. Okay, so let's go there. See client dot get blob client. Okay, of course I will give the blob name as well. Thereafter, like I will initialize the like download as well. Okay, await a blob client. This is our blob client. Okay, download as like streaming async. Yeah, all the things we have completed now. Okay, or let's return those things as well. Okay, whenever we like return anything for the like I want to like download the file, so which things I need. Okay, so suppose I want the content type as well. Okay, or of course I will need the file name as well. Okay, so I will add download dot what value dot, okay, or content as well. Or thereafter another I want to mention download dot value dot okay, let's take it details dot content type. So of course I will need the content type as well. Okay, or like which file I want to download. This is how like we have set up the things as well. Okay, or let's change your return type accordingly as well. Okay, so first thing that I want to mention, okay, so stream. So of course I want the like content as well. We are returning the content. Second thing, the content type. So of course string or content type or string. Okay, so blob name. I guess like all the things works perfectly fine. Okay, let's enclose all such things in this bracket. Now we have successfully created the method for the download all these files as well. Okay, now it's time to create the method for like get the blob as well. Okay, like suppose I want to like get the list of all blobs as well. So how I will do this? Okay, so public async task, okay, or list of string as well. Okay, so we have the list of string, or get all async. Okay, so suppose I'm just creating the things as well. First of all, of course we will like create the list of all the things as well. Okay, So list of blobs, okay, a new list of string. So we have initialized the strings as well, where blob in, okay, or client dot uh, get blob async. So we have defined these things as well. If all or there are or one by one, I will add the blob name into this list as well. So this is like easiest way to complete this thing as well. So now finally I will return the this list, okay. Or let's like we have upload the files, we have download the files, we have like get all the files as well. Now it's time to delete the files as well, because this is a very necessary step, okay. So how you will delete your file, okay. So public async task, okay. So it should be like string return type delete async. So whenever I want to delete anything from a database or from your Azure Blob Storage, of course, we will require ID, name. Okay, so of course I will give the name of my blob, string blob name. So we have given the blob name. Okay, okay. So like this is the extra parameter that we have added there. Okay. Now, first of all, I will initialize the blob client. So of course, we have the blob client or await okay, like client dot get blob client. Okay, or of course, I will add the blob as well. Or thereafter, like I will delete my blob client. Okay, so return delete uh, if exists a string. The return type of this string is a bool. Let's assume it as a bool, okay, because it is returning me the bool. This is why like we have now we have like set up our blob storage services, okay, or that's a very important thing that we have done here. Now let's go to the blob controller, okay. Before we go there, so first of all, like let's register your services as well. Add single time, okay. Like I want to like store I want to register these services as a singleton, okay. Now let's go there, or I will like create the API as well, okay. So let's create the things, okay. So let's go there. So private read only blob storage services, okay. Or of course we have to add the services as well. CT, like let's add the constructor of blob storage service like this, okay. Blob storage service equals to this. Now we have successfully injected our blob storage service class in the controller, okay. So first of all, I will define HTTP post for upload your files, okay. Upload, okay. Public async task I action result upload async. We have like successfully done here, okay. Of course, I will need the I form file, or this is the file that we are going to add as well, okay. So let's let's check if my file equals to null, okay. So I will just return the bad request status, okay. I will give the message like no file provided. Like of course we will add the validations as well. Otherwise, I will give the OK status as well, okay. Or let's modify the response as well, okay. So message I will give it as a like file uploaded successfully, or the URL I'm going to add like this, okay. Now let's copy this thing, okay. Now the second API that I want to make with HTTP get for get all files. Okay, so get all API I have added there. Now the things we have successfully done here. Now it's time to delete the files as well. Okay, so HTTP post. Okay, through the HTTP post, like let's name it as a download. Okay, of which of course I will give the file name as well. Okay, so public download file name, or in this way, like we have given such things as well. Okay, so not found. So let's, I think if the file name is empty, so of course I will give the results like you have to give the file name as well. Okay, if the content we have given there, content type, or of course I will give the file name as well, file blob name. This is our blob name. Successfully we have added the things as well. Thereafter let's add the like things for the delete as well. Okay, so we have, instead of giving the no content, I will give the file deleted successfully message there. Okay, let's like all things look fine. Okay, so let's go there, or go to your file root folder of your project. Okay, or thereafter let's open this project in your terminal, or make sure that your Docker desktop is already open there. Okay, or if you haven't installed this Docker desktop, go to the Docker official website and download the Docker desktop application. Okay, or like it is a very easiest process to install this application as well, like the other application. Okay, so Docker compose. Okay, like I will guide you the things behind them, like how the Docker compose works. Okay, in the initial, like you have understand like how the like Docker compose file created. Okay, now you have to run your Docker compose file. Okay, like you have to pull that all the things that we have mentioned there in the Docker compose. Now it's time to see that how to run the things as well. So Docker compose. Okay, up hyphen d, that's it. Okay, or just hit the enter. So now like it will pull the image from the Docker hub. Okay, so this image will be pulled there. After all the things we we will see that like all the things will be set up automatically, because all the configurations like it will match all the configurations there. Okay, like your container will run on these ports numbers as well. Okay, it will follow the commands. Okay, it will create the container name on Azurite. So okay, so like I guess the things we are going to check. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, let me see. It is telling me like bad record make, or why it is telling me. Okay, okay, so like let me switch my internet as well. Okay, because sometimes it gives the error like this, like whenever you see that bad record make kind of error. So of course please understand, like you have to switch your network. Okay, so like of course let me switch my network. Okay, or thereafter I will come to you as well. Okay, okay, so image is successfully pulled, and the Docker compose file is successfully executed. Okay, whenever you go to your Docker desktop application, so you will see that the container is running now. Okay, so that's like a very awesome thing. Now it's time to like run the things as well. Okay, which it's time to test your application, or test your APIs that you have created there. So I will run this application, or thereafter we will like see that everything is working fine or not. Okay, if something gets broken, so of course we will fix those errors as well. Okay, so guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, whenever as well, because like we are giving you a lot of content, lot of effort to you. So of course, in the same response, like I am expecting that of course, like we want your support. Without your support, like we are nothing on this platform. Okay, so let's wait for run this application. In meanwhile, like there is some important information I want to give you, that if you are preparing for .NET interviews, or of course interviews, like interviewer will definitely ask you some questions regarding Docker containerization with your .NET questions as well. Okay, with that scenario based questions. So along with that, most of around 99% candidates that they don't give the answers those questions, because they don't know much about the Docker as well. Okay, so if you want that interview questions, top 50 .NET plus Docker interview questions, okay, so I will give the link of that PDF. So just you have to go there or check out the link. Okay, or after the things, like you will be able to crack the interviews as well. Okay, so guys, just you tell me that where are you from, and from where you are watching my videos. Okay, and I see a lot of comments, or I remember that I got the comments from the Spain, from Russia, from Pakistan, from Tunisia. I guess it was Greece country as well, or some European countries as well. I love I love to see a lot of comments on the videos. Okay, or even like you have supported our YouTube channel. So this is why like we have reached to the 1600 followers, like subscribers on our YouTube channel. Okay, so we got these four APIs. Okay, so first of all, like we will upload our first image. Okay, like I will upload the image file. So let's try it out. Okay, so let's choose the files as well. Okay, so the suppose I this is the image I want to upload. The file is selected now. Let's execute the API as well. If all the things works fine, so it will give us the message with the status code 200. Okay, with the URL as well. Okay, so the file is uploaded successfully. So let's copy this file, this URL, or I will try to open this file URL on the another tab. Okay, so paste the thing. Yeah, so the URL is working fine, or thus, or like this image is uploaded successfully. That's really very awesome thing. Now I will try to get all the file names. So this is these are the file names that we have added there. Copy this file name. Okay, if you want to download the file that we have uploaded there, so you have to paste the file name or execute this thing. So you will see the download file option is available, like seeing right now. If I click over this button, so of course like we got this download file. Okay, in the download section. So that's really very awesome thing. And if you want to delete that file from the Azure Blob Storage, execute this file, or like file is deleted successfully. Or if I execute the thing, so you will see that of course you will get the empty array as well. So let's re-upload another file, execute the things. Okay, or maybe everything works fine. We got the URL of that blob. Copy this blob URL or paste it here. So yeah, so we got this blob as well. Okay, get the blob. The blob name is there. Copy this blob name. Okay, or paste it here. I will execute the file details successfully. Okay, if I reload this page, so of course the file is gone because we have deleted from the Azure Blob Storage. So seems like all the things works fine. Okay, or you will see the message blob not found. That's very awesome thing. So You tell me that how much you love this video. Oh, guys, I just want to take you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues right away as well, and hit the like button. Okay. Or guys, there is an important information that I want to tell you. Okay, like we need your support to grow our .NET community. Okay, or of course guys, we are planning to give you the .NET paid content as well. Okay, or like if you want to learn .NET Core from the scratch. Okay, so soon we will start the paid courses for like all the developers who wants to learn ASP.NET from the scratch. Okay, or we will see like in this paid course we will see like everything from the scratch. Okay, let me open my channel as well. So this is our channel. Okay, while you go to the things like you as you can see that at this moment we have 1.65k subscriber on our YouTube channel. So guys, I just want that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video and share this like channel to your friends, colleagues, so that they can follow our channels as well. We have another YouTube channel which is Rohan's Code Hub. Okay, especially like we put the content in the Hindi language. Okay, because most of you always ask me to sir sir I want the content in the Hindi. So this is why we have created the separate channel for the .NET audience who wants to learn .NET in the Hindi language. Okay, so guys, that's it. Okay, or support to our channel or support our community as well. Okay, so till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.